Harley Davidson or Custom Dynamics? Who makes the more superior saddlebag lights? In this video, I'll be comparing the Harley Davidson and the Custom Dynamics saddlebag lights. I'll go over all the pros and cons of both, and at the end of the video, I'll let Chuck decide which is the better product. Now let's hop into it. First off, I want to thank Custom Dynamics for sending me their low-profile saddlebag lights so that way I can compare them to the Harley Davidson electric glow lights. I'll leave some affiliate links down in the description if you're interested in either of these products. Now let's start off by comparing the price. At the time of this recording, the Harley Davidson lights come in at $255.95. The Custom Dynamics cost $229 for the sequential and $179 for the non-sequential. We'll talk about what sequential means in a little bit, but as far as this category goes, Custom Dynamics takes the cake. Now let's move on to installation. Both of these lights are plug and play, have quick disconnects, and use 3M adhesive for installation. Both lights are extremely easy to install, but the Harley Davidson have one small advantage over the Custom Dynamics. The module on the Harley Davidson lights tucks away nicely and attaches to the battery hold down bracket. On the other hand, the Custom Dynamics module, you have to find a spot to tuck it away. And for this reason, Harley Davidson wins this category. Next on the list, functionality. Remember when I mentioned sequential? Let's talk about this for a second. Sequential means that when you turn your turn signal on, the LEDs light up one after another, creating a nice pattern. With the non-sequential, all the LEDs come on at one time as a quick burst. In my opinion, I believe the sequential is more eye-catching. As a side note, I don't believe Harley Davidson sells sequential saddlebag lights, at least based off of my research. And lastly, for functionality, they both have the run, brake, and turn function. For this category, although it's subjective, I'm giving it to Custom Dynamics. In my opinion, I think they just look better. Next on the list, warranty. When you're spending this kind of money on lights, you want a good warranty. So for the Harley Davidson, they have a 1-year limited time warranty. For the Custom Dynamics, they have a lifetime LED warranty. I don't think I really got to say who the winner of this category is, but one thing to note, come on Harley Davidson, give us a better warranty. Now let's head out to the garage and compare the brightness. Now that we've seen the brightness, I'm going to have to give this category to Harley Davidson. The LEDs in the Harley lights are much bigger compared to the Custom Dynamics. This comparison might not be fair because the Harley Davidson lights aren't low profile like the Custom Dynamics. But for the purpose of this video, Harley Davidson wins. Now let's hand it over to Chuck to see who he thinks makes the better product. Take it away, Chuck.
All right, thanks, Joe. Now, my opinion, I'm gonna have to go with the Custom Dynamics. Now, let me tell you why. One of the main reasons got to be that warranty. I love Custom Dynamics lifetime LED warranty. I mean, come on, Harley Davidson, I love you, but what's with that 1-year warranty? As a middle-class, blue-collar worker, I like to know that I'm covered if anything goes wrong. My next reason why has to be the price. In my opinion, you're getting more for less, and that means I got more money for motorcycle parts. And for the last reason, I have to agree with Joe about the sequential. I think it's more eye-catching. After all, we have to try to be as visible as possible to those darn cagers. I think this will lower the chances of you getting rear-ended, just like someone I know.
If you want to see some of the other cool products I've reviewed, check out this playlist right here. As always, this is Jogo with Jogo Motorcycle Adventures, and until next time, ride on.